Thank you. Kaya adjust doon, para hindi masyadong malikis. Spacing guys, spacing. Okay, adjust ito. Adjust, hindi masyadong malikis. Magkulang kayo sa balon ito. Okay, kailangan mo ng libonder dito. Apat din. O yung kita, ayan na, lumipad na. Oh, lang! Anyway, kulang na ang balon. Pwede lang ba? Isa pa ka balon kulang na isa. Bumba sa ta. Bumba sa tate. Tama na. Meron na. Okay, we have enough balloons here. Well, don't lose the balloon, baby, okay? Don't hold. Enough? Is that enough na? No hands allowed. No hands allowed. Hands on the back. Okay? No hands allowed. No hands allowed. Your hands should not touch the balloon. Understood? Your hands should not touch the balloon. Okay? Pwede sa likod. Okay? No. Ano ang kamay mo? Up to you. As long as your hand will not touch the balloon. Your own strategy. Okay? Okay. One round only. Which team will make first round will be declared as winner. Oh, nagkamay na ganito. No need trial. Una. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ready? Kamay sa ulo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay. Ready? Set. Go! Consolation sa hindi na na-offside. Tatawag naman.